Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Asian Flavors. Today I am cooking chicken karai, a very famous dish in our Asian food. It is very easy to make and it is very delicious indeed. Let's start with the ingredients, but first I would like you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. Here I have taken chicken. It is about 900 grams in small pieces. It is properly washed and cleaned. I will use tomatoes. It is about half kg, 7 to 8 medium sized tomatoes, 6 to 7 green chilies, half cup fresh coriander finely chopped, simple vegetable oil 3/4 cup. I will use yogurt. It is also 3/4 cup. In spices, I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can adjust your spice level. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Both are dry roasted and crushed. Here I have taken 1.5-inch piece of ginger. It is finely cut into julienne style. With that I have taken 2.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice powder which is called garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. So viewers, let's start with heating up the oil. Now I will add chicken in it. Along with that, I am using ginger garlic paste at this time. And a teaspoon of salt. Please spice smartly. Now I will cook this on high flame until the chicken changes its color. As you can see, there is no moisture in the oil now and chicken has changed its color. Now I'll slice the tomatoes and I'll put up on the top of the chicken, just like that. This is a very important step to make chicken karai. Please don't skip in the recipe. Now I will cover it for about 7 to 8 minutes on very low flame. After removing the lid, as you can see, the chicken is quite soft. Now remove the skin from the chicken. It will remove very easily. Remove the skin from the tomato, sorry. It will remove very easily, as you can see. Tomatoes are quite soft. Now we will cook it on high flame. We will wait for the all the fluid which will evaporate, and along with that we will mash the tomatoes as well because they are already very soft. There are also two secret ingredients I'll show you at the end of the video. They will make the chicken karai very delicious and it will change the taste of the karai. As you can see, all the water in the chicken karai has been evaporated. Oil has been released at the sides of the masala. Now I will add red chili powder and red chili flakes. And again I'll cook it about for 30-40 seconds on high flame. Now I will add 3/4 cup of yogurt. While adding yogurt, please reduce the heat of the stove. Otherwise the yogurt will curdle and won't give you a smooth gravy. Once mix it up and then you can turn up the flame. It will take only about 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can see the water is quite reduced. It is about to be cooked. The gravy is quite reduced. As you can see, oil is on the outer layer of the gravy. Now I will add this 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Both are dry roasted and crushed. Few slices of ginger, 3-4 green chilies, and just a tablespoonful of fresh coriander. And we'll cook it on high flame again. Just follow these little steps and the result will be amazing. You can see how perfectly it is cooked and it smells heavenly. As you can see, all the masala is dry now. Now I will add few ingredients and I will put it on very low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'll add few tablespoons of water so the gravy won't dry. Now the secret ingredient is butter. Here I will add 1 tablespoonful butter and half a teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper. It tastes divine. It is so yummy. And the remaining garam masala, which is mixed spice powder. You can easily find it on some Asian store. And fenugreek leaves. Crush it with hands and just put it on the masala. Again, few slices of julienne cut ginger. Few of slices I will leave for the garnishing. Here goes the remaining green chilies and coriander leaves. Now I will let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on very low flame. Let's check it out. Oh wow, it looks awesome. It is perfectly ready. Just mix up the spices and we will dish it out. Chicken kadai has been served. I'll garnish it with few slices of julienne cut ginger and a bit of fresh coriander. Do try my recipe. It is very easy and it is really delicious, and I bet it can beat up the any style of the restaurant where Asian cuisine has been served, and you will love it definitely. So that's all for now. Let's see you on another interesting video.